wreck it when it comes around the back. Do that. See, it just keeps going. You can do the honors this time if you want. That's all you needed to do was touch it. Now let's see if it stops.
What happens if it doesn't stop?
Then we're in trouble. Yeah, stop. Did it stop by itself?
Yeah, the
Okay, so it went up a little bit too high.
a little too high.
So there's a thing here for doing it. Yeah, it's working.
Huh.
I'm not, just a question of fine tuning. Did you have the owner's thing in there?
In the the
Well,
paperwork.
anyway, it's all marked down here, so I'll take care of it. I thought I had a screwdriver here. Here it is. Yeah.
We
See,
did
it
it.
just it should be about like to here,
Okay.
and
It doesn't look bad like that. That's not too bad of a gap.
I suppose it's doable, but let's
Well,
see.
try closing it. See what happens.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Yep.
that's not good.
No. That's nothing.
I think it went too far. There's like a point of no return.
Okay, so it's
We gotta move that out of the way, probably, right?
say when if I have to pull the plug. Stop by itself?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see how it stopped. It still stopped pretty high. Look at that.
Yeah.
So does that mean I gotta take the chain off and take it back down? It's way too high.
So what happens if we press it again? It's still gonna go that way?
That's what I'm thinking.
1, 2, maybe 3 of these. 3 of this length. So if this is like,
Okay, so that's 3 inches. 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm gonna go 5 full circles clockwise.
okay.
How's that? That's still a little high, isn't it? Okay. Light on. So I think I hold till it stops, right? I didn't hold till it stopped the first time. There, okay, I did. Yeah, I think I held it till it stopped. Okay, now, I want to give it 5 full turns again. Let's see if this stops. What? I don't understand that. I don't understand that. Okay. So, it seems like I thought we would be, right about here. But it seems like it keeps going back to that spot all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, it works.